Hi, Eric Gibaud, ericgibaud.com, and first of all, this is not my last video this year. I say it because a few years ago I made a video similar to this and people thought I was going on vacation and there would be no more videos before the end of the year. No, there's still some videos to come, okay, before December 31st, okay? So this video is to tell you a few things about 2023 and to thank many people. So let's start. Well, it's hard to say thank you to so many people and not forget anyone, so don't get offended if I forget you, okay? Well, first of all, I must say that the year 2023 has been my best year of the last many years, okay? I don't speak about financial side of it. I speak about personal and work, all this. I met more people, new people. I made more pictures, more variety. So yeah, for me, it's been a great year, and I met my small dog, Dakota. So great for me. It was a great year. Yeah, many people, they always, recap their year, speak about finance very often. I speak about anything but finance. Okay, I speak about this feeling of many things I did. Okay, so thank you. The year 23 was a great year. Okay, obviously thank you to my daughters Pino and Opie. Thank you to my parents. That really helped me very often because some companies don't send their gear to the Canary Islands, so I've it sent to France and then they forward it to me. So thank you so much. And also this summer I went to their house for 2 weeks with my daughter Pino, and then my other daughter came, but they looked after her so I could record some videos. So thank you so much. Hi to my sister and my nephews also. So well, basically thank you to people who appeared, because very often life goes on and some people just appear in your life. And sometimes they bring great things, great collaboration, great energy, great many things. So thank you to the new people. Thank you to people who reappeared, because for circumstances, sometimes you lose contact, or for professional reason, for a personal reason, or whatever, and then people reappear in your life, and that's great. So thank you for the people who reappeared, and thank you so much for people who've been there for so many years. Supporting, helping, watching my videos. Thank you to you, okay? And well, thank you for these people who are always there, okay? So thank you so much. Thank you to the brands, companies that send me gear so I can review. Not many people, not everyone, I would say, realize that a YouTuber cannot buy everything they review. It would be impossible, for me at least. So it's great that they send me some gear so I can review it, test it, try it, present it. So I really thank them for that, because without them the content will be more limited when I want to review or test things, okay? Thank you so much to shops that also help me, lending me gear so I can try it, all this. Like the one has been always there was Photosura since the beginning, in Tenerife. Thank you to PhotoK in Barcelona, and big thank you to Digit Photo in France, who have been there. They lend me gear, we made some workshop, all this. That was great, okay? Obviously, thank you to my sponsor in French, Avia, who is a photography school that sponsors my channel in French. So thank you so much. And thank you, really special thank you to Olivier Saint-Géry of Fujifilm France. We have a really special relationship, and thanks to this, I could try some gear I would normally not have access to easily, okay? So thank you so much to him for his continuous help, okay? Big thank you to my clients. Because without clients it's hard to have business, okay? And thank you so much for all the people who've been posing in my photography, for my photography or videos. I've said many times, I don't publish pictures of my clients, because when I go to a restaurant, I pay for my food. I don't want the chef to sit at my table and eat the food I've paid for, okay? For me, it's the same thing. So when I publish pictures of models, it's a collaboration, because I need to try a new camera, I need to try a lens, I need to try a lighting system or whatever. So I need collaboration. So I thank all of them. I give their name and show you some pictures of them. It's not necessarily in the order of the year, okay, no problem. Chloe, there she is. Alejandro in Girona. Noah, I made picture of her in 2017 and no contact since, and this year I made some more pictures. Roots, that's fantastic. That was the first person I made picture to this year in March for collaboration, and she always wears a hat, and that looks fun, but for lighting it's not that easy, so it's a great challenge for me, so I really like it, really great. Okay, Charlene, that she actually posed in a workshop in France, a digit photo. Maria Luque in Barcelona. Isana, we made many workshops together many years ago, and we lost contact, and this year we've got back in contact again, and we've made more photo shoot this year, so great. Taleya in France, we made some picture with the Fujifilm GFX, so thank you to her, and thank you to Loris Romano, is another YouTuber who put me in contact with her. Maestrina also posed in a workshop. Justine also posed in a workshop. Karen, she actually posed in a video I made testing anamorphic lenses, and a couple of weeks ago made more pictures of her. Okay, Belen, who is a firewoman, I would say from a fire brigade, firewoman. Okay, and made some picture of her a few weeks ago. Yeah, very short while ago, and also to the whole fire brigade for a calendar they're making. Okay, and then many YouTubers like Thomas Happ, who is a French YouTuber speaking about film photography mostly, and we met already in Metz, and then this summer we collaborate in Saint-Nazaire for his YouTube channel. Loris Romano, I said before. Then Javier Burrueco, who is also a YouTuber in Spain. He really helped me for the Halloween picture. He actually carved the pumpkins. Great, thank you. Quique Molina, who is also a Venezuelan YouTuber who is in Chile. Then Arturo Maceda, who has a massive YouTube channel, Social Arte. Leo Vaquero, also a YouTuber. We collaborate. Appeared in some of in one of his videos, Leo Vaquero and Arturo Maceda, we made a live together on my channel. Then Studio Photo in Valencia. Juan, thank you so much, Juan, for receiving me. So that was great. Thank you so much. Then and letting me use the studio, it was fantastic. Jose Sanabria, also a studio in Barcelona, so thank you so much. Then many friends, Ivan Radio and his girlfriend Yolanda, Quique Torres, Quique Romero, Jan Pelka, who is a French painter and photographer, and we actually knew each other on Facebook, and he follows me on YouTube. It was fantastic this year because we could meet in person, and we spoke, and it was great, really great time with him. Okay, then Gregory Audubert, already knew him, another YouTuber, and his son Lilian, and this year I met him again. It was fantastic. And Fabienne Ojro, which is really funny because Fabienne, she's a friend of his, and that's so funny because she was at school with me when I was 12. Yeah, incredible because we're not from the same city, and yeah, just happened to be contact. So it's really funny. Okay, thank you to David Rumio, also a YouTuber, and well, he's actually a Facebook group manager. And we met in Toulouse in France. He introduced me to Chloe, made picture of. Okay, Borja Alonso, and he's also he's a photographer. He actually made some pictures of me in this summer. Same as Javier Burrueco, también made some pictures. I'll show you some pics, okay? Then Jean-Paul Gauche is a French guy, and every time I go to France in Metz, he picks me up in Luxembourg when he can, or he goes and drives me around so we can make picture. And his friend Fernando, so thank you to both of them, okay? I am obviously forgetting some people. Yeah, that's for sure. I'm forgetting. I don't get offended, okay? But what I think is really great is I want to thank especially you and so many people who are watching my videos, and all these people who send me a message saying thank you, Eric, that helped me, or thanks to you I could configure set up my camera, or I bought the gear I wanted, or you advised me well, or you motivated me, or whatever. And knowing that what I do helps someone, that's fantastic. I normally work on my own, recording in 3 languages. It's not always easy. And when I get these messages, that's really motivating because I feel that I'm not alone, okay? And yeah, I'm so thankful to all of you who watch my video. Not necessarily all of them, or not the full length, okay? But yes, when you get to my channel and see a video, or go to my Instagram and watch my pictures, well, I really thank you for that. That's really, that's great motivation. So, what's coming for 2024? I don't know. I will do things I wanted to do in 2023, I did not. 2022, I did not. 2021, I did not, and so on, okay? I presented in a video here a while ago my house I preparing as a studio, and I said there was a room I would do like some lifestyle. Well, it's on its way. It's painted already. It's going to be really wow. I'm waiting for some furniture. It will take maybe another month and a half to get it, but that's going to be really something special. So, well, thank you so much to every one of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for make me feel useful for someone. Okay, so that's great. It's a great feeling. So thank you for the year 2023. I want to wish you all the best for 2024. I don't know if you celebrate this end of the year or whatever. It doesn't matter. But yes, on the calendar, in Occidental calendar, the year will change. So I wish you all the best. Thank you to everyone and everybody and everyone. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Small button down here is a small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Also leave your links of Maggie on Amazon, links of everything I reviewed by K&F Concept, Sandmarc, Flashes by Westcott, more affiliated links, and also a link to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.